Hey, and welcome back to another video from my Nostalgic Ringtones playlist, the playlist of videos where I focus on specific phones and their ringtones. Basically, I play all the ringtones on a specific mobile phone for each video, just for the sake of bringing up nostalgia for whoever's watching. Maybe at some point you owned a phone like this, or you owned a phone with identical ringtones, and a lot of people have demanded this series, so I'm gonna keep it going because ringtone videos are quite popular on YouTube as well. So firstly, the star of this video today is the Nokia N91 from 2006 or 2005, whichever way you look at it. It was announced in 2005 and launched in 2006 due to some delays. It is one of Nokia's greatest achievements. I've talked about this phone in utmost detail in this video over here. This is my full retro style review on this phone. If you haven't checked it out, you can go ahead and click that link above in the card, and I'll also link it down in the description below. So I go into all the details about this phone in a retro style review. It will be linked down in the description below and also on my channel. So that is if you want to watch the full video on this phone. But this video is just for the ringtones, and we'll be going over all the ringtones on the Nokia N91 here in 2022. So the speaker on this thing is a single firing mono speaker. So it's nothing special, but it's still a very decent speaker. It's decently loud. This was a premium phone nevertheless, so it had to be a good speaker. So as usual, before jumping right in, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up on this video down below on the like button, as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. And now let's jump into these ringtones on the Nokia N91, starting off at the top and going right down to the bottom. The volume is set to medium. We don't want it to be too loud for this video, so the volume is set to medium, and let's go. So we're at the top here, and I'll stop talking now.
Taxi!
Okay, so those were the ringtone slash message tones slash alert tones on the Nokia N91 from 2005 or 2006, like I said. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope all those ringtones brought a lot of nostalgia to you. So yeah, that is what it is. It's just a ringtone selection. Well, all the ringtones from the Nokia N91. Some of those ringtones may have been downloaded by the previous owner later, so I don't know which ones were original and which ones were downloaded, but nevertheless, it's still nice to hear all of them. So as usual, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up on the like button down below, as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.